I am also not happy. I told you first time.
So he also said it is horrible,
Substandard work was
substandard, and he wants them to move out as soon as
See,
possible.
I have been saying that the work is substandard, not now. From you just go and see my statement from day one.
म्हणजे आपलं सगळं केलं ते वेस्ट करत होतं.
I am not saying this. I am just saying this work looks to be substandard.
So
That's
पण
what I'm trying to
थोड्या
say.
मागे
Now you all go around everywhere, no? You all don't check the work over. And you cannot understand that whether the work is in proper this thing or it is substandard.
So आम्ही सांगला
You
होता
take their this in a quote or quotation, whatever they have been tendered, and see what are the things what is required to put there.
तर त्याचा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक आम्ही तेच सांगला होता.
Okay, fine.
पण थोडे येता आणि मागीर
Babu
तुमकां
sir,
ब्लेम
but
कित्याक करता?
90% work has been completed, and he's saying now you can see the Panjim is a smart city right
what
now.
I am trying to say, first, whatever work has been completed, or what they say that 100% work has been completed.
90%.
So at least hand over that work to the CCP, no? At least let them maintain it or take care of it. So at least do that.
पण फाल्यां मागीर तुमकां ब्लेम करतलो न्हू आमदार म्हणून थोडे जाण ब्लेम करीत आहा तुका.
First of all, what CCP, once you are handing it over to CCP will check. There will be a checklist on that. What is there and what was as per the tender what was supposed to be.
So Panjim is looking like smart now. 90% work has been completed, no sir.
I also have eyes. You also have eyes. Now you should decide.